This is Spectra 26476. Oh, that's a shame. Here we go. I mean, it's very likely to be a card for the Spurs, but let's build some hype. All right, Clay, Seth Lundy, to 10. Good start. Ralph Sampson, Icons auto for the Rockets. Paolo Banchero, red. Tobias Harris for the 76ers, number to 49. And a green, Trae Young, number to 75. Oh, wait, I already cut these, didn't I? If I'm out. DeJounte Murray. Is this another auto? Anthony Black. This time for the Lakers to 10. Sky High, Austin Reeves. Scotty Barnes. Julian Strawther to 49. And Jordan Hawkins to 75. What the hell? We just in like the... I've opened a lot of these and not had an order yet, so this is crazy. Gary Trent, Keontae Johnson. To 10 for the Mavericks for Orlando Blackman. John Collins to numbered. Green, D-Mitch, number to 75. And the teal orange, Jalen Suggs. Kelly Oubre Jr., Paolo Banchero. 1 of 1, Jerry West. Wow, that's cool. Very unassuming, I'm not going to lie to you. Anthony Simons, Gray Magic Johnson, number to 75, and a Zion Williamson red. After all that, after I was like, hee, what the hell, 4 autos? On God, there is no difference between these two cards. That's sick.